All right, guys, we got a 2002 2500 HD 8.1 liter V8 massive truck. As you guys can see, what we got done on it is put a FLOWMASTER. I can't even get under it, it's so high up. It's a FLOWMASTER Super 50 big block muffler right there. It comes dual in, dual out right there. And then it wires into a single over the rear axle. And he put a massive 5-inch tip on it. Somebody else did it for him. Comes with a 3.5-inch pipe out the back. So there it is, right there. We just got it done for him. There's the muffler. We don't have the part number. It doesn't say it on it. Anyways, the box was damaged. But anyways, it's a FLOWMASTER Super 50. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's gonna sound phenomenal. FLOWMASTER Super 50, big block. Right there with an 8.1 liter. Ooh. You like it? Again? Listen to that beast. 8.1 liter. Your sound decibels? That sounds so nice. Again? Right at 107. Run it, back it out. $2,500 HD. There we go. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. $2,500 HD 8.1 liters of power on a FLOWMASTER 50 big block. That sounds so good.